Hey everyone, Russell here with Bandit Customs, and just wanted to show you an update on our 2007 Mercury Mountaineer named Chakotay Bandit. We've got the 4-liter engine all buttoned back up, got new heads on it, new plugs, new wires, all the good stuff, new AC. Chris did an excellent job of that. But just wanted to show you an update on the interior. Let me come around here. Got the interior out, cleaning the carpet. In fact, the carpet's out drying right now. But you see a lot of wiring stuff, and you're probably wondering, what's that? Or you're not wondering that at all. Wanted to show you, jump in here real quick. So, '07, or 4th gens really, '06 to '10. In '06 and '07, Ford Sync was not available. Sync didn't come out until '08. And what we've done here, let me go ahead and turn everything on. I've added sync. There's the A-pin right there. Added all the circuitry into the dash. We also converted this truck into a nav unit, so it's got navigation. I've got AM radio playing right now, so nothing gets copyrighted. But, let me show you here, a little voice button.
Main menu. Available commands are navigation, audio system, display.
There you go. We've got sync working in a pre-sync vehicle. Things I had to do, added the mirror with the built-in microphone, changed over the harness, the overhead harness, just because it was easier to pull one. Got a nav unit off eBay, changed the as-built. It was originally out of an Explorer. It had the Ford logo on the startup, but changed the as-built to show the Mercury emblem. Changed over the redundant switch, and as you can tell, it's all the other functions still work. Volume up, volume down. There is a little bit of repinning done here on the clock spring. All the clock springs are the same. You just got to kind of repin a few things. And then, of course, the Gen 1 Sync A-pin, accessory protocol interface module. This obviously lives inside the center console. And then we're also adding ambient lighting from an '09 Focus. So, come over here and show you that real quick. Turn the truck off. Come up to our messy garage here. Here is the center console, and this little module right here, that is the ambient lighting. And you can see where I've already drilled the holes and put the little LEDs inside the console. Right there. And then Chris did an amazing job. Let me come show you this. This, of course, is the cup holder. Goes right about there. And we molded in the ambient light switch right in the center there. Make it look a little bit more factory. So, that's the update. Chakotay is coming along nicely. We're very proud of him. We're very happy with the progress. And getting a few little updates. Thanks for watching.